Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you guys how I pack. This is going to be a small suitcase and I'm taking a couple dresses, a couple shorts and pants, shirts, shoes. I'm going on vacation to Florida, so this is how I'm going to pack. So what I like to do is I like to lay the longer things down at the bottom, just like that. So when I have the long things laid down nice and flat, I like to take pants or shorts and roll them up like this. So you want to put the legs together and then just roll it up. And you're going to continue doing that to all different lengths of pants. You can do it to shorts, capris, leggings, jeans, any sorts of pants, different sizes, anything just that makes it smaller and more compressed so you can fit in more items into a smaller baggage. And with jackets, you want to make sure they are zipped up, and then you're just putting both of the sides against each other, and you're going to roll it up just like how you did with the pants. And then with long sleeve shirts, I want to roll them up too because with sleeves it's more difficult to put them out like that. And with short sleeve shirts, I'm just gonna fold it in half and then in half again, just how you would fold any other regular shirt. And I'm just placing it on top like that. And then this one, it's more of a lighter shirt, so I'm just gonna do it on top as well. And then with tank tops, I'm gonna roll them up because they're gonna be really small and I can just squeeze them into the sides of the bag and they'll be nice and tight in there. And then when I am done folding everything in there, I'm just putting the skirt part of the dresses on top of the clothes and just buckling it in. Then I'm putting the shoes in the other side because they are not going to fit with the clothes. It's a perfect spot for shoes. And then I'm taking my socks and undergarments and putting it in this little zip part. First, you also want to put the shoes that you already wore in a plastic bag because they are dirty, so you wouldn't want anything else to get dirty. Like I put my swimsuit in there, so I don't want it to get dirty. And I also forgot that shirt, so I'm just putting it on top. I'm not gonna unpack everything just to put a shirt on there. So, like I said, I'm putting all my undergarments and my socks in this side over here. And then I'm done. Thank you guys all for watching my quick little video of how I pack. Um, I can pack a lot of things in a small suitcase, so this is something I'm proud of. Thank you guys all for watching.